Scene one, take one.
Welcome to Fix.com, where we help anyone fix anything. A broken dryer, a dishwasher, a blender, we'll even help you fix a broken heart. Okay, maybe not that, but maybe we show you how to fix almost any problem anywhere around your home, meaning you'll save thousands of dollars in repair and replacement costs. Cha-ching! But we're more than just that. Home hacks, lifestyle tips and tricks, helpful advice, and kitten videos. We don't do kitten videos? Just one? Come on. Yes! We want to make your life easier so you have more time to do the things you love. So please, leave a comment and let us know what videos would help you. And subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And don't forget to visit Fix.com for any repair parts, along with other useful videos, blogs, and so much more. With Fix.com, you're handier than you think.